German defense company KNDS plans to operate the Gepard anti-aircraft system, which has proven highly effective in Ukraine. The modernization will include a new radar to enhance its ability to detect and destroy drones and missiles. Built on a Leopard 1 tank chassis, the Gepard features dual radar technology, allowing it to track and engage multiple targets simultaneously. Despite its Cold War-era design, it remains a case set in Ukraine's air defense. Thanks for watching. Put the likes, comments, and subscribe to the channel Defensa Info.